Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero. First, you will need to download the game from its official website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation by following the simple on-screen instructions. After the game is installed, connect your compatible guitar controller to your computer. Most standard USB guitar controllers should work seamlessly. Make sure your operating system recognizes the controller before launching the game. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, getting you ready to rock out in no time. Now that you have the game installed, let's add some custom songs. You can find a vast library of community-made song charts on various dedicated websites. Look for song packs or individual song files to download. Often, these files will be compressed, so you'll need to extract them into a dedicated folder on your computer. Finally, place these extracted song folders directly into the Songs directory within your Clone Hero installation. This process allows you to expand your music library far beyond the default offerings. With your songs loaded, it's time to play. Launch Clone Hero and you'll be greeted by the main menu. From here, select Quick Play to browse your song library and choose a track. Once a song starts, use your guitar controller's strum bar and the 5 colored fret buttons to match the notes scrolling down the screen. The key is to time your presses precisely with the notes as they reach the bottom. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Practice makes perfect. To truly master Clone Hero, consider customizing your experience. You can adjust various game settings, such as note speed or highway tilt, to suit your preferences. Don't be afraid to explore different difficulty levels. Starting on easy and gradually moving up is a great way to challenge yourself. Consistent practice is key to improving your accuracy and overall speed. Also, engage with the vibrant online community. It's an excellent resource for discovering new charts and gaining valuable tips from other players. Keep rocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.